Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Noemi Tuliao Gadiano. I'm 25 years old and I live in Villalona, Cauayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a single person and no child. I'm a 4 years college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, major in Business Analytics. My height is 145 centimeter while my weight is 47 kilograms. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning the house, listening to music, organizing things, and playing with kids. I have work experience as a housemaid here in Philippines for 2 years and 5 months, serving 5 members of the family, including 3 adults and 2 children. Ages, 1-year-old boy and 7-year-old girl. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, doing the laundry and dishes, car washing, ironing, preparing the foods and the things of their children, and take care of 1 dog. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs, my parents' medicines, and to save money for my future. Before I end this introduction, I want to share with you a short song entitled "See You Later, Alligator." See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door. Dinosaur, taking care. Polar bear, wave goodbye. Butterfly. Thank you. I hope you like my song. And to my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, please hire me because I am a loyal, trustworthy, hardworking, and independent woman. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I hope I will be working with you there in Hong Kong very soon. Have a good day, Ma'am and Sir.